Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. We're going to talk about reversing in with your backup camera. So I'm turning and using the mirror some. So I'm turning and I'm looking and I'm going in slow. You can see me using my camera now, so I'm going to use that and guide myself. And if you're not sure, just take your time and go in slow. You don't want to be on anyone's grass. I'm just using this as a random house. I'm looking, guiding myself, and then I'm going to use my camera again. I'm looking down, seeing my camera. I'm lined up pretty good. I'm checking my mirrors, and it will start beeping once you get near the object. So I'm going to go in slow, take my time. That's the first beep. And also on my screen, it tells you the range. It's called Park Sense Ready. And I'm backing in slowly. And there I go. So let's review what we've learned. We've worked on our steering, we worked on our backing, and give this a thumbs up. God bless you.